ready to drive. This shiny new tractor has just arrived on the farm. Let's make sure it works. Now let's climb into the tractor cab and do some work. Hold on tight. It's a very bouncy ride. Don't forget to check the onboard computer and make sure we're ready to go. The sun is up and we're off to work. Come on, tractors. We don't want to be late. Terrific tractor jobs. Here are lots of tractors at work. What jobs are they doing? It's the end of the day. What other tractors do you see as we drive back to the barn? Drive them to the barn too.